As a specialist in respiratory health management, I am well aware of the serious impact of sputum retention on patients' respiratory function. Today I'm going to introduce you to a highly regarded auxiliary phlegm-removing device, Ruijiong KT Cough Airway Clearance. Airway clearance is the process of removing mucus, secretions, or other materials from the airways to promote effective breathing. This process is important for individuals with respiratory conditions, such as chronic obstructive pulmonary disease (COPD), cystic fibrosis, bronchiectasis, or other lung diseases that can result in excess mucus production or airway obstruction. This KT cough airway clearance is not only suitable for patients with weakened cough ability due to neuromuscular